Hi, I'm Alexander, and it's that time again, it's my colour of the month. So, I want to talk to you about this amazing colour. So, first I'm showing you it in the amazing style Luxe Sleek, but the colour itself is Frozen Sapphire, and I absolutely love that. We have a sapphire blue root, that really lovely deep blue oceany root, and this gorgeous pale blue, ashy grey blue, which looks amazing, which is like the frozen sapphire. So this colour is absolutely beautiful. This is Frozen Sapphire, and I'm showing it in the wig, Luxe Sleek. This colour is absolutely beautiful, and I love it. Frozen Sapphire is my colour of the month.